This is the Katchy. This is going to catch your small little bugs like those gnats, those little fruit flies, things like that that might be floating around over here. It has a nice light that kind of goes up here and rotates off of here, kind of attract those little bugs over here. If you're trying to catch fruit flies, you don't put like a little thing of like apple cider vinegar close to it, kind of attract them over, and it's just going to suck them in here. Kind of show you how this works. There's two different modes. You can have a manual mode, which just turns it on, so you can kind of see that purple light right there. Or the best time to catch the bugs is at nighttime, so there's automatic mode. And what that does is when it detects that there's light in the room, it's going to go ahead and keep it off. But as soon as all the lights go off, it turns on for you, just like that. Now when the sun comes back up, just like your light come back on too, these automatically turn off. It's basically like a reverse fan. It's going to go ahead and suck your bugs directly in here. If you want to go ahead and push this thing, because it has like a little sticky pad in here, you can kind of see I'm already catching some bugs right there. So I had some gnats and everything else that kind of fell in there. This right here is the Katchy trap down here. So it's like a sticky pad. So you just stick, it just throws it directly into the middle here and sticks the bugs directly on there, so that way they cannot get out. Plus it also has a nice cage right here to make sure that they don't escape back out again. So that right there is the Katchy, and I hope you enjoy it as well.